The external keypad operation guidelines. Programming key. Enter or escape from the first level menu and remove the parameter quickly. Entry key. Enter the menu step by step, confirm parameters. Up key. Increase data or function code progressively. Down key. Decrease data or function code progressively. Right shift key. Move right to select the displaying parameter circularly in stopping and running mode. Select the parameter modifying digit during the parameter modification. Run key. This key is used to operate on the VFD in key operation mode. Stop/reset key. This key is used to stop in running state and it is limited by function code P7.04. This key is used to reset all control modes in the fault alarm state. Quick key. The function of this key is confirmed by function code P07.02. Here P07.02 equals 1.
INVT. INVT.